city,
Hi.
Philippines. Little fruit shop. We've been at one of these before, but where are we being?
We're in the fruit stand at Trade Center, Tagum City. And,
Okay.
oh, there are star apples.
What are these? What are
What is
these?
the name of star apples? Avocado. Star apple.
Bing, is that durian there?
No, that's not durian. It's almost like durian.
Oh.
How do you call that? Huh? Durian is there. Look at that.
Oh, there's durian.
This is marang.
Hi.
It's similar, almost similar to durian.
Oh. So, if anybody wants durian, this. Oh, I thought I'd take a look. This is durian. Now, the phrase on durian is, it tastes like heaven, it smells like hell.
Huh?
That's the phrase of durian.
But then?
Tastes like heaven, smells like hell.
Yeah. Tastes like heaven, smells like hell.
When you open it.
That's true. Can we get one of those? Yeah.
I'm not going to eat any.
You don't want?
No thanks.
Hindi daw sa mukha. Siguro, si mama babasi.
No, I like durian.
No, I would like to buy for mama.
Oh, okay, it's up to you, sweetie. Whatever you want
Buy
to
ka ni? Oh, yeah. Abrihan mo. Ako mama bakit?
Hi. How are you? Good. Watermelon. I mean, they've got pineapple.
I would buy for Dr. Dalmacio, but I mean the best one there. They do have best one there. Huh?
What is?
Have a look at her. She's opening it. Do this.
Oh.
Patanawan
Oh,
si
wait,
Juan.
wait. I gotta-
Nag-video siya,
can I-
nag-video.
Oh, wow.
Go ahead.
Okay, we're gonna watch her do this. These Filipinas are so proficient with the knives. It's scary. You don't want to mess with a Filipina. That's how you cut a durian, huh?
Look at the avocado hand. Watermelon,
Yeah.
avocado.
Dai, kung may sincere dai pagkauna ko ni dai ha. Pila ni dai? Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, dai ni daw,
And then when you open it, there are these little pockets. And inside those pockets are the sections that you eat. Those little pockets right there.
Let
That's
me
what the
see
pockets
because
are.
I have to taste it and I will before I
So you're gonna taste it before you buy it? How's it taste? Good. Now show people how you eat that. Show them. It's a cream. It's like hey, you're slow. It's like a cream. Yeah. Durian's great. I like it. It's just that I won't eat. I eat only cooked foods when I'm in the Philippines. Even enclosed fruits I won't eat. Per the doctor's recommendations. If I was a native, if I've been here a long time, you know, I grew accustomed to things slowly but surely. Bing, what is this right there?
Oh my goodness. Oh, the guayabano. That's guayabano. But, you know, this is also good. And it would be right. Very good.
It's a lot of bananas. Always a lot of bananas. Bananas everywhere. Always bananas. Hello.
I'm going to buy for Dr. Dalmacio. Orange. The best quality because the others there are not good. This one. Hi. This is my, you know, like I buy very often. I bought in the past very often. Pinay ko na ni? Ha? Pinsa. Ano?
May kilo. Ang kulan.
Of course, Filipinos always watch TV when they have a fruit stand. There's always the TV going. Well, that's a little fruit stand here in Tagum City. They sell Singer sewing machines, which those are not, but it reminds me of that across the street. What they'll do is they'll take an old Singer sewing machine, put a whole new table on it and so forth, but all the original iron and material is resold as brand new. And people love the old Singer sewing machines here. Just like they love the Jeeps and turn them into what are called jeepneys. The old World War II Jeeps, turn them into jeepneys. And these tricycles, of course, are part of Tagum City, and they're my favorite because they're all green. Just look great. Oh, there is the Philippines. So I think we're done. Say bye, Bing.
Bye. Bye.
See you later. Thank you.
We're still in Tagum and we're going back soon. Like, subscribe, and comment. And all the best. God bless you all.
Salamat. This is a jeweler. He's working on jewelry here in the Philippines.
Ha?
Iba ka, Turing? Sunod? Ano ba ka?
Wala. Yeah, pero I'm sure mga toner na ko sa kanaw. Kinagamit mo yung toner sa kanaw.
What is he doing? Is he welding those together?
Welding the game. He's making ring. He was the one who did our ring.
Oh, he's making
and put yeah, well, he could do gold and all these things for wedding rings.
Oh, neat.
Masterpiece, and he engraved our name in there.
Wow.
He's a good.
How cool. So I'm not going to show their jewelry because it's a jewelry shop.
No.
And I'm not going to do that. But we'll come out, show the outside here. This is the outside. There's a barber shop in here. I noticed. Huh? It's a barber shop. They cut hair in here. Huh? Looks like. Yep, barber shop. This is your local barber shop here. Around. Looks like a mall. Okay. Back in a minute. She's cleaning silver, right?
Yeah.
Silver?
He's cleaning silver.
Well, that's how they clean silver here in the Philippines. With a toothbrush and silver root cleaner.
Yeah, there is a chemical to clean it.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Yeah. Now he's polishing his work. Got a little polisher in there.
kaning niya akong sot-sot dugay na, kuan man eh, kanang stainless. Mas bayo pa pang adlaw-adlaw. Hindi mo kuan. O gani, dili may stain. Dali lang, madam. Kapit naman siya. Lagi.
Okay.
Kaya pag stainless to ako, kuan sa imo dam. Kuya mo ko. Hari mo mo yun.
she is. What are you doing there? She's drying what
She's
she...
drying and she's cleaning
drying
it.
it.
You know, that silver, that my ring that got black. You know?
She's drying what the silver she cleaned.
Okay?
Thank you.
Apa? Oh, okay. So this one,
he's
you wear it and
polished.
this is yours.
Oh, she's got one. She's doing yours now, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put this on a minute. Okay. That's the barbershop again. Here they are. Barbershop. That's the barbershop. Okay.
Commercial area.
Commercial area. Commercial area in the Philippines is kind of like what a commercial area used to be in the old world, Jerusalem, the old, you know, many years ago, more like Mexico today.
Huh? Wow.
Where? Where? What?
That's the old city hall there now because they moved to the new.
Oh.
And this is where I had our fried bananas.
Oh.
You remember we were here with Lori, with Daniel.
The marketplace. The marketplace.
You know, this is the old city hall. It's not a market, but people are doing business because
Girls hold hands in America, in the Philippines.
yeah, they do.
They do much like the young girls used to in America.
Yeah,
They just, because they're friends.
yeah, they're friends. And if you would think maybe they're homosexual, you would think.
No, it's nothing like America. It doesn't mean anything like that. Strictly because they're friends, girlfriends.
Yeah.
When I was growing up, it was very common.
Daw man dito sa doktor kung ato na putag grocery sa NCCC. Ha? Mangkap. Kuhan dito ng mga babaehan. You know, Boyet will stay with us tonight.
Oh, okay.
And so the car will be parked there. I will
Okay.
try to open the big gate with you. It could be in there,
What's that?
the car, inside our house.
I'm sure it could, huh?
Kuhan
Probably
dito,
could.
wala sa gabi lang dito, tricycle.
Probably.
Pwede ka rin sa sakyan ng matuog dong. May pa. No? Ha? Pwede ba? Dari sa likod. Okay.